Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all happy and healthy. Today I'm going to do a little bit of an unbox from the amazing May Paper Co, of course. So if that is something that interests you and you would like to see it, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and we'll get straight into the video. Alright, let's get straight into it. I'm going to go with this one first, so let's just open her up. Now, this is just some planner supplies that I was really wanting to get. Not only that, you know how much I've been really wanting to set up my pocket planner, so I'm very excited. Okay, so let's move this out the way. The first one that I'm going to show you is that I decided to grab some of these Today rulers for both the pocket and also the personal size. Reasons for this is mainly because I was going to use it for the weekly view, but not only that, I could probably use it for other things as well, so it kind of works out. But yeah, so those are the two that I have ordered. Then I decided to actually order some of the neutral sticky notes. And of course, why wouldn't I get these? That's how much I am really excited getting my hands on these beautiful round sticky notes. And I got the rose quartz, I think that's what it's called. I've got the beautiful rose one. And I also grabbed the, I'm pretty sure this is pink salt actually. And because I was going to go for the nude one, and then I thought, no, I kind of really like the pink salt look because it gives you a little bit more of that nude vibrance. So yeah, I went with this one instead. So I have those two round transparent sticky notes that I decided to order, and I really like those. Up next, I decided to get the online orders for the pocket size. Everything you see here is, I'm pretty sure, is going to be pocket size, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure what's in the other packet because I kind of forgot what I grabbed. But anyway, so this is what they look like up close. And yeah, so we've got the date, description, sent, ETA, and then the tick box. Also, her paper is just like super beautiful. Like it's got that in-between texture of nice and thick, but not too thick to make your planner too bulky. But it's just got that beautiful quality to it. That's what I love mostly about it. Up next, we have some expense trackers. I'm not going to pull them out because we kind of know exactly what they are. Oh, you know what? Actually, I will. Just so that way you can have a good look at it. And here is the expense trackers up close. So we have the date, description, amount, tick box, and then down the bottom we have the total. Up next we have lists, and I'll pull these ones out as well so you can have a little bit more of a look. And this is how they look on the pockets size. Up next, I decided to grab some dated monthly inserts. Now, you know how much I really want to set up my pocket planner, and I just felt like, yep, I'm going to go all out this time, and I just really, I don't know, I just really like the way my personal is set up, and I really want to be in the pockets, so I feel like I'm going to bounce between those two, and yeah, I want to make sure that my pockets is set up as well. So this is what the monthly inserts look like, and then of course you'll flip it over and it'll give you the next months. Hopefully you can see that. Up next, I decided to grab the Goals this is the, oh, what is it again? I can't even remember, but I know it's this beautiful velvet finish on the paper, or cardstock I should say. Oh wow, I do not regret the decision at all. I love the feel of this. It's just this beautiful velvet finish on the cardstock, and it's just so beautiful, which is why I wanted it in my pocket size as well. But yeah, this is the Goals dashboard. It just looks so beautiful. I love this. Not only that, it's also inspirational, and that's what I love about it so much. So I had to definitely get this in the pocket size. So there it is there for you. Up next, I did have to get this. This was so beautiful in the personal size that I just had to get it in the pocket size as well. So this is a beautiful milk vellum, and it is definitely waterproof. It is so perfect. I also love the minimalist drawing or artwork on it as well. That's why I love this so much, but I just love it. And it's just this perfect in between where you don't feel like it's going to get ruined as well. So definitely love this, and I'm so glad that I decided to buy this one for the pockets. And up next, as you saw in the previous video, I needed more grey stickers, and that is what I did. I went and bought some grey sticker dots for my planning system. Okay, so that was the first packet. Now we're going to get into the second one. I honestly can't really remember what I got, so this is going to be a surprise for me. Oh, of course, so I had to open up like the wrong packet. So this is where we get a couple of freebies. So I've got this beautiful card that says no rain, no flower. Then I have some free stickers. These are foiled stickers on some nice neutral sticker paper. I love these. I think these come in handy for when you kind of want to just, you know, use them sparingly here and there, and you've got like a variety of things. Oh, cool. We got another one of these cards. I love these. I think these are perfect. So this is a wish list card. I'm hoping you can see that. Actually, I hope I've shown you what this looks like. There you go, really quick. And then we've got this beautiful wish list card that just looks so beautiful. I love the artwork as well. Like, it's so beautiful. I love it. All right, I'm just going to move those out the way. Okay, so I kind of roughly remember now. So I'm going to, just to continue with the pockets, so I decided to also grab some monthly tracker. The reason behind this one, I thought this would be actually perfect for my, I think it was finance, or I don't know, honestly I can't remember, but when I sit down and start planning again, I'll know. I am so scared of opening these packets because whenever they stick this sticker over to the side here and you're trying to rip it open, you can feel it like going towards the paper or, you know, any of it, and it just, I feel like it's going to rip it. I'm so scared every time. Anyway, I didn't rip it, so that's good. But yeah, so this is what the monthly tracker looks like. I just think it's a perfect little tracker just to keep track of things throughout the year, and it gives you 12 months. So say if you've got like bills, I think this is why I bought it, to be honest. So for bills, we have them every single month and they never really change. And I was going to write down, you know, say like insurance, that comes out once a month. I want to tick that off to make sure that it is paid and whatnot. I'm pretty sure there's also another method or way that I was going to use that. But when I figure it out and finally sit down and plan, you'll all know about it. But yeah, so I had to grab some of those. Up next, I decided to grab some more top tab dividers. So I'll show you those. So we've got the top tab dividers in the 3-pack as always for the pocket size. And then also in that same packet, I grabbed 2 of the black stickers, or divider tab stickers. I think they're called divider labels, that's what they're called. So yeah, I decided to grab black because that's what she has available right now on her shop. Unfortunately, she stopped doing all of the beautiful foils, which is very upsetting, and yeah, so now I'm trying to like make sure that everything is color coordinated, matching kind of thing in my planners, because it drives me absolutely insane when it doesn't match. And yeah, so pretty much I decided to grab black. I grabbed 2 sets because you never know, and not only that, I am setting up both my planners and I'm trying to get it all the same. So I've got 2 of those, and as you can see, we've got calendar, today, weekly, monthly, daily, and so on. And then lastly, from the haul, I decided to also grab the monthly tracker for the personal size. I will pull this open just so you can see what it looks like in the personal size. Honestly, it'll look exactly the same. But for those that just want to see it anyway, I'm going to pull it out and show you all anyway. So this is what the monthly tracker looks like, and as you can tell, it looks exactly the same as the pockets, but yeah, just a little bit bigger. So there you have it, lovelies. That is what is in today's unboxing video. And as usual, I just love buying from Maypepper Co. There is nothing on her shop that I don't like, to be honest. I just love her shop that much. But as you can tell, there is a new video coming up soon, which will be the pockets planner setup. So stay tuned for that one. I'm very keen on setting that one up to be exactly like my personal, so definitely stay tuned. But thank you for taking the time out of your day in watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to be positive and give love. Bye!